In this lesson, we will explore IoT and smart inventory solutions, the cutting-edge technologies reshaping how businesses monitor, track, and manage their inventory. IoT, or the Internet of Things, refers to the network of interconnected devices that collect and exchange data in real time. When applied to inventory management, IoT transforms traditional systems into intelligent, self-monitoring networks that enhance visibility, accuracy, and decision-making. At the heart of IoT-based inventory systems are smart sensors, RFID tags, and connected devices. These components continuously collect data on inventory levels, location, temperature, movement, and condition. For example, a smart sensor placed on a pallet can transmit real-time information about product quantity or environmental factors such as humidity and temperature. This data is automatically sent to cloud-based inventory management software, allowing managers to monitor stock conditions remotely and take immediate action when thresholds are breached. One of the major advantages of IoT in inventory management is real-time visibility. Traditional systems often rely on manual updates or periodic counts, which can lead to delays and inaccuracies. IoT-enabled solutions, on the other hand, provide continuous updates on stock status. This eliminates guesswork, reduces stockouts and overstocking, and improves overall responsiveness across the supply chain. IoT also enhances inventory accuracy by minimizing human involvement in data collection. Automated tracking systems record product movement instantly as goods enter, move within, or leave a warehouse. This reduces the risk of errors due to manual entry and ensures that inventory records always reflect the actual situation. For industries like pharmaceuticals or food, where product traceability is critical, IoT provides a transparent and reliable audit trail. Another key application of IoT is predictive maintenance and replenishment. By analyzing real-time data, IoT systems can forecast when inventory will fall below safety levels and automatically trigger purchase or production orders. Similarly, in manufacturing environments, IoT sensors monitor equipment performance and predict maintenance needs before breakdowns occur, preventing costly downtime and production delays. Smart shelves and autonomous robots are also revolutionizing warehouse management. Smart shelves use embedded weight sensors or RFID readers to detect product removal and replenishment. When stock runs low, the system automatically updates the central database or notifies staff to restock. Meanwhile, autonomous mobile robots, guided by IoT and AI technologies, navigate warehouses to pick, transport, and organize goods efficiently, reducing human labor and improving accuracy. IoT technology also supports better decision-making through advanced analytics. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of real-time data, companies gain valuable insights into demand patterns, supplier performance, and process efficiency. Machine learning algorithms can identify trends, optimize reorder points, and recommend strategies to improve service levels while minimizing costs. However, implementing IoT in inventory management does come with challenges. It requires investment in hardware, software, and network infrastructure. Data security and privacy are also major concerns, as connected devices increase potential entry points for cyber attacks. To mitigate these risks, organizations must implement strong encryption, authentication, and monitoring systems. Despite these challenges, the long-term benefits are substantial. IoT-driven smart inventory systems reduce waste, lower operational costs, and create more resilient supply chains. They enable proactive management rather than reactive responses, allowing businesses to adapt quickly to demand fluctuations and supply disruptions. In summary, IoT and smart inventory solutions represent the future of inventory management. By connecting physical assets to digital intelligence, these technologies deliver unprecedented levels of visibility, automation, and control. Organizations that adopt IoT-driven systems gain not only efficiency and accuracy, but also the agility needed to thrive in today's fast-paced, data-driven business environment.